Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, in today's video we are going to see some of the important documents required for document verification of IDBI executive. Okay friends, see friends, technically IDBI become a private bank, but this is in IDBI banks uh, intranet page. See friends, what kind of a career path can I expect in IDBI bank? It's being a public sector bank. See friends, they were not taken out this public sector bank status. Okay friends, still it become technically private, but in their home page it is their public sector bank. See friends, IDBI Bank has a distinct business segment like personal banking, corporate banking, agricultural, finance, medium and SME business segments and international banking segments. So see friends, here cross-functional movements are strongly encouraged to build capability in each employees to become a knowledgeable and versatile individual to provide necessary service and enhance his or her professional skills. So this is one of the positive news. Why means they have not taken out this PSB status. See friends, you will get an email like this. See friends, here this is waiting list ones. Here based on your performance in the captioned examination, you are placed in wait list for the captioned recruitment process. Your final selection will be subject to you being found medically fit and verification. See friends, all documents should be in a correct way, and you should fit medically. Okay, you should fit medically also, then only you are satisfy all conditions given by the bank. See friends, they will give you date and they will give you time and they will give you venue where you have to attend. See friends, here one more important thing here you see here. Please note that you will have to bear the fee for the medical examination, which will be reimbursed to you only after you joining the bank. See friends, almost 1,000 to 1,500 there for medical test. So you have to bear this 1,000 rupees to 1,500 rupees. So after joining only bank will give you back. You might also be recruited to stay at the center for medical examination for more than a day. See friends, in our case, total document verification and medical test examination happened in one day, but in some cases document verification in one day and medical test happen in another day. So they will give you it nearer to your hometown place only for medical document verification and medical test. See friends, the bank would not reimburse lodging or any other expenditure. See friends, whatever stay you are doing that day, document verification and medical test, bank won't give you anything for these two. See friends, undergoing DV and PRMT. What is PRMT means? Prerequisite medical test may not be construed as an offer of employment. See friends, you have to satisfy other than DV and prerequisite medical test and other things also as per bank norms. So they will mention like this only for each and everyone, but you can after DV and this medical test you will get an offer letter. See friends, here printout of the email call letter. See, all the documents are very important. So these are the documents required. So email, whatever the email sent by bank, that one is required, first one. And second document friends, see here printout of the online application submitted to IBPS or IDBI executive. See friends, many of you not get this reprint option, otherwise you would have not taken from there. So bank will enable this reprint option, so no need to worry about your application. So you will get reprint option next 1 or 2 weeks, you will get this one reprint option. See friends, proof of date of birth, either date of birth certificate valid or SSC certificate also they will consider as this date of birth proof. And see friends, marks card and certificate of classes. See friends, third document 10th class certificate and intermediate certificates are required. And see friends, after then degree. So whichever the degree you have done, for that one each and every semester wise marks it should be required. Whatever you uploaded that one it is required. And see friends, here provisional degree, this one provisional degree should be provided by your university who recently got their graduation out. so they will get it this one from their university, not from their corresponding colleges. So you should obtain this provisional degree from your universities. And see friends, graduation should be university support of the eligibility, that one only they've given. See friends, here mark sheets and certificate of post graduation, if you have done any PG like that one, so that one also it is required. If the final result of graduation, see friends, this is different. So maybe your graduation like cutoff date, so cutoff date of IDBI executive notification means you have to obtain that cutoff date from your college or university. See friends, if you have any experience certificate or service certificate, you should get that one also. See friends, this one is very very important. Candidates selected under SC, ST, OBC, PWBD categories must produce a relevant and valid caste PWD certificate issued by the competent authority in the prescribed format as notified in the IBPS advertisement. See friends, it is we have state government and central government, so we need to obtain central gov format only. So it is available in Google also. You can you can search central government caste certificate. So you can search central government caste certificate, there you can download that one and you can obtain your corresponding revenue officer signature, gazetted signature you have to obtain from their end. So you go revenue office and you can get it from their end also. And for EWS also, EWS category also, sir, EWS and unreserved you have to get yearly basis. So if you have 1 or 2 years long ago certificate means they won't accept, so you have to get it immediately. This year certificate only they want, so EWS and unreserved they want this year certificate only friends. See friends, curriculum vita you can get it from IDBI Bank curriculum vita, you can search in Google, you will get it curriculum vita from there also. And see friends, here this will be provided at the time of document verification by bank as well, but you can get it from online as well. Here you have to fix your photo and cross sign, it is required, and name of yours and permanent address yours and where you are staying right now, correspondence address and your email ID and your mobile number and landline number if you have. You have to give your personal profile like this: date of birth, gender, category, nationality and father's name, and academic qualification 10th percentage and university board if you have anything, year of passing it is required, and 12th if you have university you have to fill university and year of passing, and graduation if you have to fill percentage and university name and year of passing, and post graduation if you have to fill your percentage and university, corresponding university and year of passing, and if you have still any other skills you have to fill that one. See friends, if you have any experience certificate you have to attach that one here, and if you have any skill or any other professional things, so you can mention here, and achievements and award if you have any like that one you can mention here. And see friends, language, read, write and speak you can mention here. And see friends, here, have you applied for a job in IDBI Bank Limited earlier? If yes, you can put yes. It is not, it is not. So whatever you applied you can fill here. And a brief on medical history you can put here medically fit. See, medically fit you can put here. See friends, like this is like you have committed anything, otherwise you have arrested so far that one, so it obviously it is no, so this column also will be there. And see friends, your state, your posting, so many people asking me that sir either I can get hometown posting, they will ask you 3 places, 3 states you can choose, first one, second one and third one. Lastly, finally you have to do your signature and your name, place, date. See friends, still I am telling same thing. There are 1800 branches IDBI had, and only merit list people are 920 only. For merit list people they will going to give hometown posting only friends, hometown posting only. For who are in waiting list they will get some other zones, Thank you for your support, friends. Your support required, and thank you. Take care, friends. Bye, friends.